Hey everybody, welcome back to Crypto Noobs, the YouTube channel where we bring you news about the crypto and the crypto market. Today in the crypto market, the global crypto market cap is at $925.84 billion, up 0.41% of yesterday. At Bitcoin, it is trading at $19,416, Ethereum at $1,291, Binance Coin at $272, XRP at 48 cents, Cardano at 37 cents, Solana at $30.60, Dogecoin at 5 cents, Polkadot at $6.13, Polygon Matic at 77 cents, Shiba Inu at 0.00001047, and Avalanche at $15.72, followed by Uniswap, which I think was not at this position yesterday. I'm not too sure, but it is at $6. So, my first piece of crypto news for you today: massive Bitcoin volatility as U.S. inflation clocks in at 8.2%. The crypto market is going through enhanced volatility as U.S. inflation numbers are in. Perhaps somewhat expected, the volatility has returned to the cryptocurrency market. The ongoing turbulence is caused because the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics released the CPI numbers. Now here, CPI stands for Consumer Price Index and is the most common gauge of the current rates of inflation in the US. The Consumer Price Index is used to measure the average change over time in the prices that urban consumers pay for a market basket of goods and services. The number clocks in at 8.2 for the month of September. It is almost always the case the cryptocurrency market reacts immediately, and the BTC Bitcoin price initially pumped and then dumped towards $18,200 where it was trading at the time of this writing. And the time of this writing was October 13th at 12:30 p.m. So yeah, Bitcoin did drop today, but as soon as it dropped, within an hour, it pumped right back up and a little over what it was previously. And I will bring that up later in the video today. But yeah, this is why it dropped, I guess, supposedly. So my next piece of news for you today: ex-U.S. congressional candidate highlights Cardano, or ADA, resilience against bear markets. Now, I hope I say his last name right. I'll give it a shot. David Koshitsyn. Yeah, either way, a former U.S. congressional candidate has highlighted Cardano's long-lasting resilience against the bear market despite predictions of the asset's crash in the 2018 bear market. So this article just kind of sums up the history of Cardano when it was first released in 2018, right before the bear market hit for that year. But I would like to show you the tweet that David tweeted today around 6:21 a.m. In 2018, during the start of the previous bear market, they stated none of these protocols like ADA or VET would survive. The 90% of all of these protocols would go extinct. They were wrong. And so I would like to read you guys this little thing right here. Despite its gloomy response to the latest CPI data and the rest of the crypto markets, ADA doesn't show any sign of giving up. The asset has dipped by 13.34% in the past 2 weeks to trade at 37 cents as of press time, the highest losing asset on the top 10 list in a 7-day time frame. These assertions appear wrong, as ADA not only survived the previous market but has solidified its position amongst the top 10 crypto assets listed for 7 consecutive quarters despite persistent market conditions. As previously reported, Cardano has maintained a position in the top 5 list of cryptocurrencies, excluding stablecoins, since Q1 of 2021. So, this guy, David, recognizes ADA is a long-lasting crypto. assets, and it's important and yet good news that someone of his status recognizes crypto, ADA, but maybe crypto in general, that it is here to stay and it is not going anywhere. Yeah, it has its ups and its downs and bear markets and bull runs, but depending on the project, either if it's has a bunch of utility for real world cases, such as ADA does, it will withstand all of its volatility throughout the year and years and will remain so far the top leading cryptos in the market space. Now, for my next piece of news, Yuga Labs to donate $1 million to education and art initiatives in Miami. Now, this is pretty cool and interesting. I thought I would like to share. Wally Arano and Greg Solano, the co-founders of Yuga Labs, are to lead an education and arts initiative in their native city of Miami. The funding will expand arts and STEM education's access in underserved communities. Yuga is staying true to its roots and giving back to the place where Bored Ape Yacht Club was founded by supporting Miami-based initiatives. Yuga co-founders Wiley, I'm just going to say their first names, and Greg are proud Miami natives, as is Yuga Labs CEO Nicole Muniz. And here's a tweet by Yuga Labs that they tweeted out yesterday, actually, October 12th, around 2:20 p.m. Miami is a special place. It is the birthplace of Bored Ape Yacht Club and most of our leadership teams. This is a vibrant community and with a bright future. We're thrilled to announce a new $1 million initiative to support arts and education programs here, or I guess there. And here is people, I guess. And I don't know which one is which. I'm guessing it's one of these two people, and I guess these are like the board members of the education of what they're donating to. So, yeah, which is pretty cool. I'd like to read this part right here. This announcement follows an existing commitment by Yuga Labs to donate 10 million ApeCoin to the Jane Goodall Legacy Foundation, as well as a pledge to donate creators' fees from the Bored Ape Kennel Club secondary market trades to benefit no-kill shelters and animal conservation charities. Now, this is awesome. This is a top leading NFT that is giving back to the community and trying to make at least their community in Miami a better community for hopefully years to come. But with this news, I would hate to follow up with this other piece of news that just happened the other day. The SEC is investigating Yuga Labs, creator of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, to decide if NFTs should be regulated like stocks. As it says down here, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has launched a private probe into Yuga Labs Incorporated, the crypto company that created the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection of NFTs. Also under review is ApeCoin, Yuga Labs' proprietary cryptocurrency that is dispersed to owners of Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. The value of ApeCoin shut down by 11% after news of the SEC investigation broke. Yuga Labs has not been accused of acting illegally, and the investigation does not necessarily mean that the SEC will file a lawsuit against the company. So, yeah. I guess when there's a good, there's a bad, and when there's a bad, there's a good. But I kind of don't see this going anywhere. SEC is just kind of throwing accusations left and right in the past at least months, but it felt like it started with Ripple, XRP. I don't know if you've been living on a rock, but they've been dealing with courts. They've been dealing with the SEC and all their accusations that they are a security, which by now, or pretty close, or I think even now, like I think they have decided, or they have concluded that Ripple or XRP is not a security and is just cryptocurrency. So There hasn't been an official ruling. XRP is still hard to get among some exchanges. Anyways, I'd like to show you the TradingView chart for Bitcoin. And I did predict this is the 69,000 line of Bitcoin that started at 69,000. And this is the line that I've made here from the past couple of months. And it definitely shows that it has hit the 69 line, and it is definitely trading a little bit above the line that I guess I pretty much started here at 18,100, 150-ish. I did predict that Bitcoin would go down to this box that I've made here around 18,500, but it only wicked down here. But I did suspect that it was going to hit this box sooner rather than later. I kind of expected it to hit maybe sometime in the middle of next week, or maybe a little longer after that. I didn't know it was going to be a flash crash and then completely come up. This is the daily chart. Let me take you to the hourly chart. Let me fix all this right here. As soon as the numbers came out for September of 8.2%, people panicked and sold all the way down to about 18,400, 390. And then within 2 to 3 hours, it shot right back up to where it was previously, to right under 19,000, and is actually doing a little bit better and still following this line right here. So it definitely broke, or it definitely found supports on this line, and it shot back up and is now have this new line of supports up here. I'm not saying that I'm right. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to buy or when to buy, but I did sort of see this happening. I didn't know it was going to happen so quick and all within a day. But this is good news. It means that people are bullish about Bitcoin right now, and it is staying above at least 19,000. I do see it kind of following this line. It might go a little under to act as resistance, but we are going into the weekend, and it might just fall flat, go sideways, at least until Monday. And I know I've been saying this for a long time, or at least for the past couple of weeks, that it's been going sideways, but that's pretty much all what Bitcoin has been doing. In the wide grand scale of things, just sideways. Yeah, it has its dumps and its pumps, but I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'm just holding it and other cryptocurrencies until a major rally happens that just shoots up past 25,000, past 30,000, all the way up to hopefully 40 or 50,000. But the way it is right now, it's definitely not going to happen. It's just trying to truck along and find where it's most comfortable at. Now, that's all I got time for you today. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, like it. If you like the content, please subscribe. If you'd like to know more about the Ape Yacht Club, Bitcoin, just general news about crypto, or any projects, please comment in the comments below. But until then, that's all the time I got for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.